Hi guys, today I'm going to review MagicFlix AI 2.0. Now, before we can start, I would want to let you know why MagicFlix AI 2.0. So, what if you could create an entire faceless YouTube or TikTok channel without spending hours writing scripts, editing videos, recording voiceovers, and scheduling posts? That's exactly what MagicFlix AI is designed to do. In this video, I'll give you a quick look at how it works and whether it's actually worth considering for building faceless content channels. Now, MagicFlix AI is an all-in-one AI platform for creating and automating faceless video channels. It can generate scripts, AI voiceovers, visuals, and complete videos while also providing editing, scheduling, posting, and AI-powered SEO features for platforms like YouTube and TikTok. So let's check what's MagicFlix AI 2.0. It is the first self-learning AI that builds, grows, ranks, and monetizes today's most profitable, exciting faceless channel business. So instead of pumping out generic AI channels, it studies your products and style, then automatically creates next evolution channel businesses like POV simulations, historical recreations, trivia stories, stick education, and more on 100% automatically if desired. Now, auto ranking your videos and activating to 4 built-in monetization systems to generate leads and profit without relying on views, giving you the easiest DFY business you can start today. Now let's check what's new. So as per the preview version, it was only general slideshow videos, 2 APIs, 7 story themes, basic editor, no credits. But as per the upgraded version, you get branding voice training, then engaging video clip channels ability, then ads, the best channel types working today, then you get agency monetization. Now let's discuss how you can use it, the steps to follow. So the steps to make it work, you only have to follow 4 simple steps. Step number 1, you create your channel brain and let MagicFlix AI learn your products and content style. Step number 2, choose your modern channel theme. Launch the most profitable types of channels. Step number 3, customize or leverage auto mode. Leverage drag and drop timeline editing to customize each video. And step number 4, rank and monetize immediately multiple ways. Now, free copy, which is fully automate next evolution faceless channel businesses that self-learn, rank, and monetize for you. Newbies automate $20,000 per month, living faceless channels in hot themes working today. You can click on this option. You can just simply join the webinar, which is going to be a one-time training on the 17th of August, 2 p.m. Eastern Time. Your host is going to be Ben Murray. You can register and get Ben's YouTube Pro app and custom GPT. Also, this is how the dashboard looks. If you check the sales page through the link, you can just go through the demo video as well. Look at this, guys. The dashboard is going to be pretty simple. Now, you can get these gifts just for registering today only. If you join this webinar, you get 2 extra beneficial gifts from Ben Murray. The first one would be YT Growth Pro. Get special technology trained on the best faceless channels that will tell you exactly how to grow a channel from scratch. The second one would be $1 million affiliate custom GPT. $1 million GPT that teaches you or anyone how to make millions from affiliate marketing and channels. And here's what you'll get on the webinar training for 100% free just by showing up. You'll get the new 4-part faceless channel formula that's letting newbies automate $15,000 per month. Then you can auto create channels in the hottest themes working now. Also, you get one-click clone business owners into self-growing. You get a free YouTube audience growth app that tells you exactly what to do to grow any channel. And you get 1 million plus custom GPT on how they have made millions monetizing channels immediately without views just for registering. And you can also win cash prize, get a free copy, and much more in the biggest call of the year. Again, remember the date, it's going to be 17th, that is today, Monday, and you can join the training at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. You can click on this option, save your seat. I'll mention the link in the description below, so you can simply join the session. So if you want to check out MagicFix AI for yourself, I've put the link down in the description. You can click on the link to see the current offer, features, and pricing. If you decide to try it, make sure you choose this option. Make sure you choose the option that fits your needs. And thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one.